Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacy.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In one of my last videos, I made a video saying that I'm getting new bike parts soon, and I forgot to make the video, but now I'm here and I'm ready to make it. It's basically a whole new front half. I didn't get really anything in the back. If you're watching my bike check, my bike's over there. Sorry if you hear the loud noise. It's the heater to my house. But I'm gonna show you guys. Well, first, I'm gonna sit you guys down real quick. I'm gonna move my bike over into the light. Be right back. Alright guys, I moved it to the light and here it is. There she is. I might move it over here. Hold on again. Sorry guys. There you go. It's kind of better. I'm going to have to get like a light or something for this. But yeah, we have purple. I'm just going to do a quick bike check. Why not? Purple ODI grips, Eastern throttle bars. These ones are new. I'm pretty sure they're like 8.9 inch rise or something like that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 8.9 inch. This is my favorite part. It's a donut top cap. We have a chrome wise stem. Some nice Sunday forks. Stolen Rampage front rim. Eastern tires. Nice mongoose seat. We have thermal light, purple pedals, Mission Triumph cranks, 3-piece, shadow sprocket, shadow pegs. What else? Oh yeah, Black Label rear cassette. I know it sounds good, you don't have to tell me. But yeah, I just decided I'd come out here and tell you guys about the bike. Yeah, this is basically it. I don't know why. Me and my sister actually did a challenge very soon. So be tuned for that. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys this. A nice Eastern, if you guys can see that, Eastern sticker. And also kink launch frame. Can't believe I forgot the best part, you know. Yeah, that's basically it now. If you guys enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and comment what I should do next. Comment down below if you want me to do a bike build, because I will do that probably tomorrow, in 2 days or something like that. But trust me, I'll do it. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band.